Are you guys gonna be coming in and out, like flexing all the time? What's going on over there?
Are we messing up your video?
Well, you're just too much muscles. What's up, internet friends? Today we're gonna cook a little recipe for you called sloppy boo-boos. So if you haven't been watching along, I killed a bear.
I got him. Crushed him.
So did this gentleman here. His name's Andrew. He works primarily janitorial services for us here at Stone Glacier. But anyway, we're going to take you through our process of making some sloppy joes out of some bear burger that we ground up last night, and it's going to be freaking delicious, so follow along. So the first step we're going to do is I'm going to chop up these veggies, and Andrew's going to get going over here on the burger. So we're going to brown that in a pan. We got about, I don't know, probably 3 pounds of burger there. It's about I don't know, 80% bear meat, 20% bacon mix that I did up last night. So we'll get started on that and then get going on these veggies. We're going to put all of these sauces and seasonings all together and then throw it all in the crock pot and have a little Yogi Boo Boo Bear Sloppy Joe lunch. So let's do it. So here's the meat.
No, he loves me.
Why? He doesn't ever want to be with you.
Yeah, I know. It's because we have this like needy relationship. We
Yeah,
just
like,
he does him,
Yeah.
I do me. I feed him when I need to.
He's like a roommate. Like he doesn't want to live with you, but he doesn't have a car and he can't move out.
That's what he's like. Hey.
Yeah, he doesn't pay. He's a freeloader.
Yeah.
That's exactly what it is.
Good boy.
See this cutlery? Uline, the finest. If you order enough tape and boxes, they'll just give you a knife for free. It's really great. So I'm just gonna dice these pretty small. Not a lot of technique. I try not to cut my finger off, typically. Sometimes you get look at this one. That's fine. That's art.
It's a nice cut.
Yeah, just put that right in the pan. Done. This, I don't know if you don't have one of these, this is an Instant Pot. Make all kinds of good stuff in there. This is my wife's. She let me borrow that. It's nice for her. Remi, come here. What's this? Oh, is that the onion? Oh, hey, no? All right, now we're gonna dice up one onion of choice. This one is red because that's what I had at my house. See this technique? Top Chef. So you get your Worcestershire sauce. We're gonna put a little of that in there. Yep, pretty good. Maybe we'll just put a little of that on my meat too. Some little improvise. Oh.
Sauce me.
Oh yeah. That dog's an idiot. I like to go just a little touch of California, a little basil in there, just a little bit. It's kind of fancy sloppy boo-boos. Just a little bit of this Italian seasoning too, not a lot, just a little bit. Boop, boop, boop. A little windy out here. Alright, some garlic salt, can't go wrong. That's good video making when you just have your stuff all open. A little garlic salt in there. Nice. Alright, a little bit of pepper. Perfect. Alright, so kind of mix that up. And then when Andrew's done grounding the meat, we'll put the meat on there. And then we're going to put all of our different kinds of tomatoes on there. Got some diced roasted tomatoes, tomato paste, and a couple of tomato sauces, plus one fresh tomato. You don't have to do a fresh tomato, but it's kind of fancy if you do. If you're like a fancy sloppy Joe guy. Remi. Nothing. Won't eat it. No vegetables. You're not his dad. You're like.
Father figure.
Yeah, you're like his boss or something.
Yeah.
That's my pet peeve in this world, man. So when people are like, "Oh, this is my dog, and I'm its dad and its mom," no, you're not. You didn't give birth to that dog. You're the owner. You own that dog. That is not your kid. That's the silliest thing in the world. I tell you. You know what kind of bear this is?
Dead one?
No, it's a brown bear.
Yeah. Yeah.
Brown in that pan.
This is the color phase bear.
Color face. That's a dad joke. My kids would have killed at my house. Well, we're gonna sauce her up a bit here. So you want to make sure you get your sauce like, want to be pretty thick. So you don't want to put too much in there. That's gonna be too runny. But at the same time, you don't want it to be too dry. So it's like one day, the bear's living on the mountain. Next day, bear's living in my freezer. Tomorrow, bear's living in my belly. All right, get all of our goodies in there. Oh yeah, look at those little fire roasted. Oof, that's the secret right there. Now my little secret sauce, I like that little gray poupon. Into that, and then you got your spatula. We'll just mix her up. Give her a good mix. And then we'll put her in the old Instapot here for what time is it? 10 o'clock for 2 hours on a medium heat. Just make sure that she's all cooked and ready to roll, and sloppy Joe lunchtime. There we go. Slow cook. Oh, 2 hours. And yeah, I think that's it. I thought there'd be more buttons, but that's it. This is a black bear. This is a black bear. This is on it. 3 minutes. Oh, it's a pressure cooker. That's hard to get off. So hot, melt your lens. Bear meat sandwich. Jeff also brought some bear meat.
Just pop the top on that thing. See what happens.
No, it's too stuck. We also got this corn black bear that our buddy of ours gave us. Should be delicious.
Corn bear sammies.
Corn bear sammies.
I'm gonna slice up this corn meat or what?
Ooh.
Go off there, Maggie.
Oh, it's sloppy.
Andrew, give me the mail.
I hope you guys like sloppy joes. I made them extra sloppy for you.
Corn black bear. And make a little corn. I want to keep going to say corned beef, but it's not corned beef. Corn bear sammies.
Does this upset you that he's cannibalizing your cooking episode?
No, it's cool. Whatever. He's the boss. It's cool.
Still a little frozen. Hey, we can have 2 varieties of bear sandwiches.
That's what I like to do.
This knife is not nearly big enough for this.
Get a little,
Yeah, you need
a little sloppy.
Got some bear pizza here too.
A little sloppy. Then I like to come over here. Look at this, Zach. Give yourself some chips. Just put those chips on your sloppy. Just like that. Maybe a few on the side. Just get a little bite here.
How is it?
It's burned your face hot, but it's good.
You got the trick yet?
I'm dead. No, it's really good.
And
You can't knock it until you try it.
What if it was else? Pretty good.
It's good.
that is hot.
That's hot.
Holy smokes.
Oh, it's just boiling.
I know.
Pretty freaking good.
Yeah.
Pretty freaking good? Yeah.
I'm not sure you could discern it was bear or elk or deer or anything, but it's excellent.
Be a pretty
Home of the
good
world
sandwich.
famous bear meat sandwiches.
Oh. Don't even know.
You want one?
Try it.
Indian?
Oh man.
Okay.
Oh.
How is
Yep.
it?
Yeah. Real good.
Is it better than the sloppy Joe?
Can I plead the fifth?
It's
Different. It's different. than
Different,
sloppy
yeah.
Joe.